Google TV is the better choice if you want a smart, feature-packed experience. It offers thousands of apps through the Google Play Store, including Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, Prime Video, and many more. It also has Google Assistant built in, personalized content recommendations, and Chromecast support for easy screen sharing. While VIDAA OS is designed to be fast and simple, it boots quickly, has an easy-to-use interface, and supports the most popular streaming apps. However, its app library is much smaller than Google TV's and it lacks some advanced features and customization options. So which one should you choose? If you want the best app selection, smart features, and long-term flexibility, Google TV is the clear winner. But if you prefer a straightforward, responsive interface and only use the major streaming services, VIDAA OS is still a solid option. Overall, Google TV wins for power and versatility, while VIDAA OS is best for users.